Hello guys, and hope doing well. As you check the project, this is infrared distance meter. It is very easy and simple. Maximum for 5 lines. You can see here. At first you should know that you need this infrared flying fish module. The name is MH Sensor Series, the flying fish. It is one transmitter and one infrared LED with LM393 with one port to adjust the sensitivity to find exactly the distance when the infrared reflex frequency will meet each other. So by adjusting this part, you are able to align the place where the transmitter and receiver will meet the frequency. Let's take a look to the code and one more time test the device. I like to plug the module directly to the analog pins without any jumper and without any cable like this. So I need positive and negative voltage for this pin. I use this one, the analog write A0 with 1024 maximum number of the pin. It means that the 4.9 volts will flow to the pin number A0 and pin number A1 should be negative, so I write down with the analog feature the number 0. It means that it is negative, so the module will be on with these two lines. I have one variable here, the name is sensor value. The sensor value amount is the thing coming from the analog pin number A2, and analog pin number A2 is the module output here. Exactly, you can see this is the out. Very nice. And finally I will write down a tone with my pin, digital pin number 7. It is connected to the buzzer. It is a bubble gum attached here for the less noise. I can divide this amount by 2 or 3 when I want the low noise with, or I can use the multiple with the numbers to adjust the best sound coming to the buzzer. Very well. And finally, after 100 milliseconds, I will shut down the tone to feel exactly what's going on. I will test the project one more time without the PC, directly connecting to the power bank. This USB cable I will plug here directly. Very nice. Now the device is on. This is more than easy. If you want to play with the infrared reflection, something like this will help you too much to know exactly the direction of the infrared and the reflex and the degree that you want to use the packet or the infrared frequencies reflection. Thanks for watching and goodbye.